I am going to discuss distributives which are used as determiner. And here we have to remember that only distributive adjectives are used as determiner, not any distributive pronoun. And in this category, either, neither, each, every, this type of distributive adjectives are grouped. As a determiner, distributives means only distributive adjective and not distributive pronoun. And what is the definition of distributive adjective? An adjective that is used to refer to each and every person or thing separately is called distributive adjective. Two examples I have given here. Each boy was given a chocolate. Every nation is proud of its culture. Here each, every, they are distributive adjective and they are determinants. Distributive adjective means they are always used before noun, and here each is used before the noun boy, every is used before the noun nation. And thereafter, what is the difference between distributive pronoun and distributive adjective? Distributive pronouns are used as either the subject or object in a sentence, and distributive pronouns are never followed by a noun, whilst distributive adjectives are modifying words, qualifying words, and distributive adjectives are always followed by a noun invariably. That means surely a noun will be placed just after the distributive adjectives. And some examples I have given here. Each of the here I have given some examples of distributive pronouns. Each of the girls draws a picture. Either of these has that information. Neither of the newspapers is English. Here each, either, neither, they are all distributive pronouns. They are not distributive adjectives because they are used without any noun. They are not used before any noun here. Either has two meanings. First of all, either may mean any of the two different persons or things, any of the two. For example, you can take either bus, that means any of the two buses. Either book can serve my purpose equally well. Either book means any of the two books. Either can also mean the both. For example, tall multi-story buildings have come up on either side of the road. Here either side means on both the sides. Neither. Neither is the opposite of either. It means not the one nor the other. That means not this one and not that one also. For example, neither candidate deserves our support. You should take neither side. Thereafter, each and every. We use each when we think of things separately one by one. When we think of things one by one, separately, then we use each. For example, talk to each child separately. But we use every when we think of things as a group, not one by one. The meaning is without exception. For example, every child needs love and protection. That means every child. That means no child can be without love, without protection. That means here total group is considered. Thereafter, we use each for a small number, preferably 2, or the number in the group should at least be limited, definite. That means we use each for a small number, most preferably 2. When the number is 2, we can use each, or the number in the group should be limited or definite. In that case, we can use each. But every is used when the number is large or indefinite. When the number is large or not definite, we can use every. For example, each side of the square has the same length. Each side. Thereafter, every Indian must be proud of their country. Here look, each side of the square has the same length. That means here each, it is indicating that the square has limited side. But when I am saying every Indian must be proud of their country, here every indicating large or indefinite number. Okay, in this way we can use each, every, either, neither as distributive adjective or determinants. Okay.